Every single one of us goes through days that feel heavy, days where the mind feels clouded, where even getting out of bed takes effort. It's in these moments that we start questioning ourselves, our strength, our direction, our purpose. You feel burned out, anxious, uncertain. You look around, and it seems like everyone else is moving forward while you're just trying to survive another day. But let me tell you something. This storm you're in, it's not here to destroy you. It's here to rebuild you. Burnout, anxiety, and emotional exhaustion aren't signs of weakness. They're signs that your soul is craving balance. You've been giving too much energy outward, to people, to work, to distractions, and almost none inward. We live in a world that constantly drains us. Screens, temptations, endless scrolling, shallow pleasures. They steal our attention, our discipline, our drive. And most men don't even realize it. They wake up tired, scroll through chaos, chase instant gratification, and go to sleep feeling empty. That's where semen retention comes in. Most people think it's just about holding back from releasing. But that's only the surface. The real essence of semen retention is energy management. It's about reclaiming your lost power, your focus, your masculinity. It's about turning that inner energy, which most waste through impulse, into fuel for emotional strength, mental clarity, and spiritual resilience. When you practice semen retention, something subtle but powerful happens inside you. You start noticing your emotions more clearly. You start seeing how anxiety rises and falls, how urges control behavior, how moods shift based on energy levels. Retention makes you more conscious, not just of your body, but of your mind. It teaches you how to sit with discomfort, how to redirect tension into growth, how to remain calm when chaos hits. That's emotional resilience, the ability to stay centered even when life shakes you. And you can't develop that by avoiding pain. You build it by facing your urges, your stress, your fears, and choosing not to run. Every time you feel that urge and choose self-control instead of escape, you're strengthening your mind. You're building mental armor. You're telling yourself, I'm in control. Think about it. Most men lose themselves in moments of weakness. They look for relief in the easiest way possible: scrolling, porn, junk food, gossip, distractions. It feels good for a second, but afterwards, there's that same emptiness. Because deep down, you know you traded long-term peace for a short-term release. Retention flips that equation. It trains your brain to delay gratification, to handle discomfort without collapsing. And the more you practice it, the more mental endurance you build. The more you practice it, the more mental endurance you build. Your brain starts rewiring. The dopamine system resets. You start enjoying the small things again: reading, meditating, creating, just being present. Your mind clears, your focus returns, and your energy feels alive again. Anxiety begins to fade, not because life becomes easier, but because you've stopped scattering your attention. When you stop leaking energy, you stop leaking focus. And when your focus sharpens, your mind quiets. Retention is not suppression. It's transformation. It's not about shutting down emotions. It's about mastering them. True emotional strength isn't about never feeling pain. It's about feeling it fully and not being ruled by it. That calmness inside you, that's control. And semen retention is one of the strongest ways to build that control. You've probably noticed that when you give in to urges, when you chase instant pleasure, your motivation drops, your confidence dips, and your energy feels off. That's not just physical, it's mental. Every time you seek comfort over control, you teach your brain to escape. But when you hold your energy, even for a few weeks, you start feeling different. You walk differently. You think with clarity. You act with purpose. This energy, when directed, becomes healing. You're no longer running from anxiety or pain. You face it. When uncertainty hits, you breathe through it. You start seeing emotions as waves that rise and fall. You no longer drown in them. You observe them. And every time you do that, you become stronger inside. That's how burnout fades. Because burnout isn't just about doing too much. It's about losing connection with purpose. Retention reconnects you with that purpose. It makes you aware of your habits, your patterns, your mind. It builds respect for yourself. You stop living like a slave to impulses and start living with direction. Most men live in cycles: distraction, regret, distraction again. But when you choose to hold your energy, you start breaking that pattern. You begin to see that real peace doesn't come from escaping discomfort, it comes from mastering it. Every urge resisted builds emotional strength. Every temptation overcome builds confidence. Every moment of patience strengthens your mind. And slowly, you change. Your emotions stabilize. Your presence grows stronger. You stop reacting to every little thing. Control becomes natural. That's real freedom. Choosing your response, staying centered no matter what's happening. Of course, it's not easy. You'll fail sometimes. You'll relapse, feel guilty, feel weak. But guilt doesn't help you grow. Awareness does. Learn from it. Observe what led to it. Build self-compassion. Treat yourself like someone worth saving. Because you are. Every time you get up again, you prove to your mind that you're stronger than your urges. And that consistency, that's what changes everything. Over time, people start noticing something different about you. Your energy feels grounded, calm, powerful. You don't even have to say much. Your presence says it all. That's what happens when you guard your life force. You stop chasing validation because you already feel whole inside. And as your emotional balance improves, your body responds too. Your hormones stabilize, your thoughts become clear, your stress lowers. You feel grounded, focused, peaceful. That's not fantasy. That's biology aligning with discipline. You begin to realize that the world isn't against you. Your own lack of control was. Once you master your energy, you stop being controlled by your moods, urges, and fears. You start flowing through challenges instead of fighting them. Anxiety no longer owns you because you've learned how to stay still inside the storm. The energy you're holding, it's sacred. It's creative. It's strength, focus, and peace all in one. If you waste it, you weaken yourself. But if you protect it, it shapes you into something unshakable. Every great man, every disciplined mind, every stable soul, they all learned how to master their energy first. When you channel this energy into your goals, your work, your purpose, something incredible happens. You move with quiet confidence. You stop needing attention or validation because your purpose fills you. You stop overthinking because your actions speak for you. That's when mental health truly thrives. When your inner world becomes still, when you're at peace with yourself. And as you keep practicing, you'll understand that semen retention was never just about control. It was about awareness. It was about realizing that energy is everything. That peace isn't found outside you. It's created within you. So when the mind feels heavy, when burnout or anxiety try to pull you down, take a deep breath and remind yourself, this is not the end. It's growth. It's energy transforming you. Don't run from it. Feel it. Channel it. Turn it into discipline, focus, purpose. Because the man who masters his energy masters his emotions. And the man who masters his emotions, he can handle anything life throws at him. Keep going. Your calm is your weapon. Your discipline is your strength. Your energy is sacred. Protect it, and it will protect you.